Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma today interacted with residents, tourists and local entrepreneurs during a live session from Smit village as part of the CM Connect initiative, highlighting the government's efforts to strengthen tourism-driven livelihoods across Meghalaya. During the visit, Conrad Sangma met local homestay operators and small business owners and reviewed the impact of government support schemes on tourism entrepreneurship. Residents also raised concerns relating to garbage collection, street lighting and littering, to which the Chief Minister assured that the issues would be taken up with the concerned departments. Emphasizing the importance of homestays in ensuring that tourism benefits reach local communities, Conrad Sangma said Meghalaya currently has nearly 900 operational homestays, with another 2,100 expected to be sanctioned, taking the state's target to around 3,000 homestays within the next 12 to 18 months. He also highlighted the role of Skills Meghalaya, Prime and CM Elevate programs in generating employment and supporting tourism-linked enterprises. Referring to Meghalaya's hosting of the 39th National Games in 2027, Conrad Sangma said the event would boost tourism, hospitality and economic opportunities, with homestays expected to play a key role in meeting accommodation requirements. The Chief Minister reiterated the government's commitment to ensuring that local communities remain the primary beneficiaries of the state's growing tourism sector.
I also would like to see on how we can promote your homestay, others, and more importantly, tourism as a whole. So we have done a few things, as you know, around here, but what more can we do? So I hope to get good advice from you, good suggestions from you, and I can assure you that I will do my best to make sure that we are actually able to implement your suggestions. Okay? Thank you. Honor to have. Try this. One. Okay. Come this side. Come this side. Thank you. I know, so I got thing too. Sure. So I had come here because I've started a program called Live with Conrad, and I decided that every month I'll be going live on Facebook. And this month, the month of May, I decided that it will be on tourism and it will be in Smit. So that is why I'm here today. This will happen every last Saturday of every month. So next month also I'll be taking up one topic and I'll be going to some location, other location in the state, and I'll be going live. So as part of that program, I felt it important that I should meet our traditional heads, pay respect to them, and meet the public also at large. So it's also like a CM Connect program for me. So I'm very happy that I got to meet our Paim and other leaders, traditional heads. They are always there to guide us. They've always guided me, and they've always worked together. We have worked together for the society, for the public at large, and a lot of contribution has been made by them. So it was a wonderful moment to spend a very quiet and a personal moment with them. And I'm very happy that I got a chance once again to come to Smit today.
So how do you find?
Excellent, wonderful. And we have also decided that there'll be some more development projects that we will do together, including we are working towards the street lighting of the Smit area. We are also looking at garbage waste management of this area, and also to overall improve the safety security by putting some CCTV cameras. So these were matters that were discussed by the Sordar, as well as by our Paim and other leaders who have suggested these small developments, and I'm happy to support, and we will do the needful along with the community to achieve those goals. Thank you so much.